Hello, and welcome to the Pickles and Posies Art and Design YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how I gave this Pottery Barn Kids table and chairs a mermaid magic makeover. First, I prepped my table. I sanded it with a 220 grit sanding block. Then I wiped it down with alcohol. These are the paints I used. I started with the white. For this next part, you'll need about 8 pair of gloves, some painter's tape, a heating tool, and a respirator. I also used some popsicle sticks, some paintbrushes, and a silicone spatula. I made my own Mermaid Magic glitter mixes. Time to mix the epoxy. I use a Lumilite Clear Cast 2-part epoxy resin. For this entire project, I used actually 3 of these 8-ounce boxes. So for the base layer, I used 1 entire 8-ounce kit. Stir for about 6 minutes. Add glitter. You want to make sure you get your epoxy mixture spread all the way to the edges. Otherwise, you could have little gaps between your edges and your tape. Run your heating tool over the top 2 or 3 times. It'll release any air bubbles trapped and make for a nice smooth finish. let my epoxy cure for about 12 hours, then I prepped it for the next step. Now you'll need some Mod Podge, some clear coat, and some removable vinyl, and something to cut the vinyl with. I printed out 4 different mermaid tails. I got the SVG file from Etsy. I'll link it below. Mod Podge is white, but it dries clear. I always start with a thin coat, but make sure it's even. My second coat of Mod Podge was much thicker. I actually wish I hadn't done it as thick. It made it more difficult to find and take off the vinyl. I let my Mod Podge dry for 24 hours, and then I started to remove all of the vinyl. I did 4 coats of the matte clear coat. This seals in all the glitter and makes sure it doesn't move. I used another 8-ounce set of Alumilite clear cast for my top coat. Look for part 2 where I show you what I did with the chairs and how I painted the body of the table. Thanks for watching.